स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Ready, start. There is one thing which strikes me. Many of them, although they came to our country from far away distant land, many of them spent lot of time in understanding the sociology and economics of how India's rural dynamic works. I think of late probably because people don't stay in jobs long enough. Therefore, I think that depth of knowledge that our civil servants need to understand processes of change, particularly in the rural sector, the problems of disadvantaged community, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, they do not receive the attention that they deserve. That's why you have tensions in rural India. The Naxalite problems, these are problems which have several dimensions. A law and order dimension is important, and no state can really neglect the enforcement of law and order and also enforcement of the rule of law in our country. But you must also recognize that there are, I think, underlying tensions arising out of the fact that not all sections of our society get an equitable share or the benefits of growth, benefits of development, and therefore, I think you have to pay particular attention to being the custodians of the well being of the weaker sections. Sir, during this debate, it was interesting and educative to listen to our constitutional experts. I must say that it seems to me that the question at issue is not merely a legal or a constitutional one. The constitutional amendments which we have introduced contain and reflect the urges of our people. For some time, there has been a deliberate inflation of fears, which to me seem to be unreal. A controversy has been generated as regards the supremacy of Parliament against the supremacy of the Constitution, as if these two were distinct concepts, mutually exclusive and even perhaps opposite. Those who describe the issue in this manner conveniently forget that our constitution was drafted on the fundamental assumption that our people have firm faith in the principles of democracy. This faith in our people reflects in our constitution. Several honorable members have spoken of the confrontation between Parliament and the judiciary. There need not be a confrontation, and I think that to create an atmosphere of confrontation does not do us much good. I do not think that there is any real confrontation either, because each institution has its assigned place and role. We all know that there can be no third chamber and that no constitution can be frozen into a static position. What do we see when we look at the world around us? It would not take us long to discover that many an institution has collapsed, many a constitution has been scrapped because it ceased to be an effective instrument for orderly change. That our constitution and our democratic institutions have survived when all around us there is a climate of tension and violence is a tribute to the faith of our people in democratic ideals and also to the flexibility and responsiveness of our constitution and our political institutions to the urges of our people. While introducing this bill, my colleague spoke of the arguments of those who opposed this bill as being based on fear and nervousness. I should like to dispel that fear and nervousness in the minds of our minorities insofar as their rights are concerned. I believe that protection to them can be guaranteed only by this stop over.
तो दोस्तों ये डिक्टेशन आज की हो गई है, और जिस किसी को भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चाहिए हैं ऑडियो और पीडीएफ के साथ, वो पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप मैसेज कर सकता है। अबाउट सेक्शन में जाकर यूट्यूब के अबाउट सेक्शन में नंबर दिया हुआ है, आप व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हो और आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट बताकर आप डिक्टेशंस और पीडीएफ ले सकते हो। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।